Welcome to the Kitchen Vignette, where it has actually taken me 2 days now to finish my kitchen vignette where I liked it. This is a collaboration with This and That with Denise Jordan, and I hope you check out her channel and all the other kitchen vignettes in this fun collaboration. If you would like a link to some new and different summertime recipes for camping or other summertime outings, I'll leave a link of my videos for that in the description box, as well as the link to Denise Jordan, our co-host from This and That, to her channel. I hope you have a wonderful summer, and I hope you get to go camping! Okay, everybody, here's my 3-tier tray. I'm going to do a summer vignette for my kitchen. And if you don't know, me and my husband are avid campers. We love to go camping. We spend a lot of the summer camping. So I have this camper lamp, and I thought, well, that would be perfect for my kitchen vignette. And this is just a block of wood. You know, Dad does a lot of woodworking, so I'm going to use that as something to prop up my cookbook, because I want to add my RV and camping cookbook for healthy living on a budget. I thought that would be cute, and I'm going to use a lot more of these recipes in some of my videos, I think. And to try some this summer. And then, since, you know, you have Memorial Day and the 4th of July and all those holidays for the summer, I thought I'd add some red, white, and blue. And I put these flowers in. This makes the second vase, so I hope it looks okay. And then I found these little campers at General Dollar, and I thought I would add those. It's just a little accent. And there is my vignette for my kitchen for summertime. Camper themed, because we love camping, and I actually do a lot of camper decor in my house because we love to camp. This is Melissa from Buckeye Girls Reason Things. This is a collaboration with Denise Jordan, and her channel is This and That with Denise Jordan. Please go check her out. Go check the playlist out, and go check out all the fabulous ladies in the playlist. And give my video a like. And subscribe if you haven't, because I'd love you to join the family. Welcome to the Kitchen Vignette, where it has actually taken me 2 days now to finish my kitchen vignette where I liked it. This is a collaboration with This and That with Denise Jordan. And I hope you check out her channel and all the other kitchen vignettes in this fun collaboration. Here is my final vignette for my kitchen. It starts off with the words, which is my two camping cookbooks. And yes, Trixie's crying. And there's the three campers. One is a lamp and the other is, they're actually for fairy gardens. But I thought they would be cute. And then I ended it with a floral arrangement in red, white, and blue for 4th of July and Memorial Day. I hope you enjoyed the many different ways I've tried to get this to look right, but I think this is my favorite because it shows both the camping cookbooks and the retro RVs.